Hello, my name is Dr. Patricia Ford, Dr. Patty Ann Ford. I am the owner of Imagine Wellness. I'm your doctor, dietitian, and coach. Thank you so much for being here on my Imagine Wellness YouTube. I am going to talk to you today about how you can focus on your health in the holidays and give you 3 guidelines. It's very hard to give holiday tips to a mass audience because I don't know all of your goals. And frankly, I don't know you. I don't know exactly who I'm talking to. So I'm going to give you some universal 3 guidelines to focus and keep in mind your health. So first, I want you to pay attention to you. All right. Now, what that means is, what are your health goals? Are they aligned with you? Now, this is a very hard question because typically you'll say, well, yeah, I've been told that I have to do this, or I need to do that, or I should do this. And if you are carrying those types of goals out of fear, which is typically obligation, I have to do something, I need to do something, I should do something in regards to your health, you probably want to take a break during the holidays. Have you ever gotten around the holidays, which is coming up, and said, oh, I just can't do it. I just don't want to do it. I need to take a break. I need to just not think about it. That can be that your health goals are not aligned with you right now. And that's not a bad or a good thing. It just means the plan that you're on, or the program, or the pill, or the potion is not aligned with what your body and your mind want. And I believe that the mind and the body are connected. And I do believe that you can't really override the body with the mind. You know how people say mind over matter? Yes, there is a time and a place for discipline and hustle, and those are really important things. Yet over time, if applied that way, is not wise. And in my practice, I really, really value transformation versus the transactional goals. The transactional goals we can do, but where I'm gifted and where I'm talented and I believe that I'm meant to serve is through the transformation of your health, because then you won't need me anymore. Then you won't need me because you'll be able to go and flourish and you'll be aligned with your health goals, okay? So 1, you. Where are you at with your goals? And if you have to take a break, it's probably not the best idea. All right. 2, I want you to think about kind of what I just talked about, is what is the energy that you're applying to the holidays? Are you saying, oh, I have to go to this, I need to, I should? Even if it's just kind of lighthearted like that, I should go to this person's house. Pay attention to that type of energy. That type of energy we call obligation. It can be forced, or it can be out of fear of consequence. I have to go to this place or someone's going to be mad. That means you actually don't want to. And then that can really damper joy and really damper your holidays, which makes you not want to work on your health or not even be aligned with your health, because you're spending so much energy having to do something, shoulding on yourself, right? And you just don't have time or the space to love who you are. Okay, so who you are, the energy of how you're operating. And then 3rd, I want you to pay attention to the connections that you have. Are you paying attention to the people in your life? That is where we find true joy. Are you connecting with the people that see you and love you and value you? As much as you can, find those people. Find the people in your life that truly, truly want to be next to you because of you. Not because you're doing something or giving them something or paying them, but because they actually love you. And soak that energy in as much as you can. Thank you so much. I hope this was helpful. If this was helpful, subscribe to my channel and have a wonderful holiday season.